Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technology. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the markets in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for Monday, that is 29th March. And apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options, open interest data. So here you will see 1st April weekly expiry contract max main level is at 14,500. So it just tells us that if market was to expire at 14,500 on 1st April, in that scenario, option writers are going to make profits and option buyers are going to suffer huge amount of losses. As you all know, on expiry day, large percentage of options they expire worthless. If we see the overall open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 14,700 strike, followed by 14,800 strike, and highest amount of puts have been written at 14,300 strike, followed by 14,000 strike. So it gives us a range of 14,300 to 14,800 on the index. And you will see what happened on Friday. You will see that highest amount of calls were written at 14,700 strike, and we saw open interest reduce in 14,400 strike, 14,300 strike, and 14,200 strike. So it just tells us based on the price action, and as you all know that on Friday we formed an inside candle. So based on the price action, market was up approximately 1.5%. So it just tells us that call option buyers they book their profits and call option writers they book their losses. And you will see that highest amount of puts were written at 14,300 strike, followed by 14,000. And I would reiterate again, broadly speaking, we're in a range of 14,300 to 14,800 on the index based on the overall open interest data. If we analyze Nifty on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of sellers as it is trading below 14,702. However, you will see that we have formed an inside monthly candle. So it just tells us that there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. But for our analysis purposes, market is under control of seller as it is trading below its opening print. On the weekly time frame, market was also under control of sellers as it was trading below the weekly open, which was 14,736 levels. And you will see that in terms of price structure, we have been making lower lows and lower highs on the index. And if you see the daily time frame, here you will see that on Thursday, market closed at around 14,325 levels, and on Friday we formed an inside candle and market closed at 14,507. And you could also see based on the options open interest in calls, they saw their open interest reduce at 14,200, 300, 400 strikes. So basically option call buyers they booked their profits. Those who carried forward their positions from Thursday, they squared off their positions on Friday. So call option writers they book their losses and call option buyers they book their profits. So as you know, it's an inside candlestick. It's market is under control of is in an equilibrium, and we would wait for either side to break to establish our positions on the index. And based on the if you see the structure on the daily time frame, we have been making lower lows and lower highs, and this inside candle there's a high probability that it can break to the downside. But since it's an inside candle, it can potentially break to the upside as well, especially considering the fact that monthly time frame we are forming an inside candle, and a new weekly candle is going to start. So there is a chance that it can potentially reverse and trade above Friday highs. So either ways, based on the price structure, we get the following scenario for Monday: above 14,507. we can trade toward 14,572, and if the inside candle breaks to the upside, we can potentially reach 14,668 levels. And on the flip side, if we trade below 14,414 levels, we can potentially trade towards 14,258 level as well. And the neutral price range is going to be 14,507 to 14,414, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now, we would be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen for Monday are Bandhan Bank, Bata India, Godrej Properties, and GAIL. So, if we see Bandhan Bank, it has formed an inside candle. On the monthly time frame, it is under control of sellers below the opening print 349, and on the weekly time frame, here we formed a shooting star pattern on candlestick, and it is below the open 346. And on the daily time frame, we formed an inside candle, so it has a high probability that high probability trade would be if it were to break its lows 344. In that scenario, we can look to establish short position in Bandhan Bank. However, as it's an inside candle, we have to be flexible to establish long position as well above 359 levels. But in terms of position sizing, for establishing short positions, one can trade normal size, and in scenario if it breaks to the upside, one can trade 50% of their normal size. Our second stock is Bata India. It's again an inside candlestick. On monthly time frame, it is under control of sellers. Here you will see it is trading below the opening print. On the weekly as well, it is trending lower with lower lows and lower highs. So higher probability trade would be if this inside candle were to break to the downside. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 1,409.9 levels in Bata India. Our third stock is Godrej Properties. We'll look for buying opportunity above 1,394.5 levels or selling opportunity below 1,352.4 levels. And our final stock is GAIL. In GAIL, we'll look for buying opportunity above 132.9 or selling opportunity below 128.6. And I'll repeat again that inside candles are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll establish our positions if either side of the range breaks. Before ending this video, I like to summarize that on Monday, above 14,507, market can trade towards 14,572, 14,615, and potentially 14,068 levels. And below 14,414, we can potentially trade towards 14,371, 14,318, and potentially 14,258 levels. And broadly speaking, based on the open interest data, we are in a range of 14,800 to 14,300. And the max pain for the weekly expiry contract is at 14,500. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame, Bandhan Bank, Bata India, Godrej Properties, and GAIL. Before ending this video, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and don't forget to check out the description section of this video, where you will find a link to all our recent blog posts. So once again, thank you for watching.